looking for all the kitchen stuff, bringing more boxes in. Somebody went in there, I think. Who's there? Peekaboo, are you trying to hide? I see you. I see you, little Mish. What are you doing there? You having fun? Oh, you love boxes, don't you? Yay! Best fun. We are expecting renovation of our kitchen, hallway, and bathroom. Therefore, we are packing all the kitchen stuff in boxes, and the laundry room, and the hallway, pictures and everything. On the wall, in the cupboards, everything is coming out. Catcoot seems to be very interested in getting into the boxes and digging through it, going down to the newspaper. What are you doing, Catcoot? Huh? Mama worked very hard to make those boxes. You missed your treats. You're gonna have some treats now, Catcoota?